out for a morning walk with Frugal RV gal, Sammy Joe. And look at this beautiful country. And we're seeing so many pretty flowers too. Don't know when y'all will see this, but good morning, everybody. So Frugal RV gal and I and her dog Sammy Joe and Bandit, we're about to cross the Warren Bridge, the original one. Can y'all see that bird up there on top? Uh-huh. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So we're out trying to find a geocache. It wasn't, well, you can't see the bridge now. It wasn't on the Warren Bridge. It's not at the kiosk. We thought it might be at this tree. Look how cool this tree is. But it's not at this tree. And there's a trail right next to the tree. So we're gonna go that way. About how many feet?
Hang on. 98 feet.
She says about 98 feet. Bendito, you ready to go? Did you find it?
No. I'm at 9 feet. 9 feet. But it's pointing right that direction. I spy.
You got it?
Yep.
Woo!
All right. I just want to get out of the ants.
A pencil
Look,
sharpener.
Yeah. So you leave something and you take something with you.
So my friend Susie recommended that we come here to Daniel, Wyoming, and get a slaw burger. I mean a slaw dog or a burger. So that is what we have done. Cool little bar. We're sitting outside because it's hot and we have the dogs with us. There's our table. We have the whole patio to ourselves. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hi, Debra.
Hello.
You mind being on video? Thank you.
Here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
John's splurging with the Coke.
So we're sitting out here tonight around our campfire. Donna, what did you cook for dinner?
I had nachos.
Spicy nachos, right?
Yeah.
And now you've cooked some garlic, and evidently my dog thinks he likes garlic.
Yeah, evidently.
Bandito. I don't have anything for you.
Andrew, I like it too.
My friends are leaving today. I have moved across the road and down here. So behind me, I don't know if you can see that or not. And they are up there. And I'm going to go back up there and walk and say goodbye. And they're bringing me my pails of water I left to bathe Bandit. And I'm gonna try not to cry. Oh boy.
Hey, Debra, happy trail.
You too, Donna. Thank you. Love you. Bye. Bye, Frugal RV gal. I wish. Y'all have fun. Bye.
Down the road.
See you down the road.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn.